Hi, my little ones. How are you doing? You're doing fine. I heard you. Yes, I heard. I am fine, teacher. Well, guess what? Teacher have something for you. And I know you're going to love it. It is a story. You want to hear the story? Yes, I'm going to tell you the story. Now, in that story, there is a sound that keeps coming over and over and over. There are some words in the story that have the sound at the beginning. And this sound, I want you to listen out for it and tell me what's that sound that you hear. And I also want you to tell me the letter that makes that sound. You ready to listen to the story? All right. Wendy and Willie stood by the seashore. They were staring in the water. They saw a small canoe and wished if they could go in it. Wendy said to Willie, "What a beautiful canoe, Willie." Willie says, "Yes, but we can't go in it." Suddenly, the wind started to blow. What happened next? Wendy's wig blew off her head and fell in the water. Oh no, my wig! My wig is in the water, Willie. What am I going to do? Willie says, "Don't worry, Wendy. I will get it for you." Now look, here is the picture. Can you see Wendy and Willie standing on the seashore? Here is Wendy and here is Willie. And there you see the small canoe. Yes. Now, here is Wendy. She's wearing her wig. Then here is Mr. Wind. And Mr. Wind is blowing. Ooh. And what's in the water? It's Wendy's wig. Mr. Wind blew it from off her head and it fell in the water. Now, you hear the sounds? Yes, I heard it too. The sound is woo, woo. And which letter makes that sound? The letter W makes the woo sound. Now, these are the words that begin with the woo sound. Wendy, Willie, water, wig, and wind. So when I say Wendy, you hear woo at the beginning of the word Wendy. When I say Willie, you hear woo at the beginning of the word Willie. Water, wig, and wind. These all begin with the woo sound, and the letter W says woo. I'll be coming in with your activity shortly.